Hi guys, I'm Kyler here at BlvdHome in the appliance section talking about one of my favorite pieces of appliances again. This is the Café microwave. This is the matte white color. It also comes in matte black and stainless steel. You can get it with or without the handle, which is fully customized in 4 different colors. My favorite part about this microwave is it actually is a convection microwave as well. So what convection means is that you can actually warm up your food in this like a regular microwave, or you can actually bake in it like an oven. So to bake in it like an oven, you are just going to push the convection bake, set the temperature you want it to bake at, set the time you want it to bake at, and it will warm up and cook it like an actual oven. This microwave also has the preset settings, so you can push the popcorn button, it defrosts as well, so you don't have to set a certain time, it does it for you. Now inside the microwave, we have this rack in here. It's for the convection, so you can cook on this rack if you want to make cookies. You can put it right in this rack on a pan. It also does have this plate for warming like a regular microwave. So this is convection, so it's going to warm up the whole entire microwave at the temperature that you set it at. So this comes with a steam clean option, so it's very easy to clean, easy to use. You can find it here at BlvdHome for $944.99. So next we're going to talk about the gas range. It comes with 6 burners. It also comes with this griddle, so you can cook right on your stovetop. This one is the matte white with the rose gold finish. Just like all of the other appliances, it comes in the matte black and the stainless as well. So you can customize these as well with the different color handles and knobs. They come in 4 different colors, so you can customize them to fit perfectly into your home. So this range here is a 5.6 cubic foot, so it is a large cooking space inside to cook all the dishes that you need to cook. This also comes in gas, electric, and induction. Another really cool feature about this range is that it is a smart range, so you can connect it to Wi-Fi, start it from your phone to preheat it. You can also connect it to Alexa, so you can just tell Alexa to preheat your oven and she'll do it. This is also all touchscreen, integrated right onto the front, so it doesn't have the back panels like some. This is a slide-in range. Inside we have the convection oven, so it's going to have 3 racks. Some of my favorite things about convection is that it actually heats up the whole entire inside the same temperature. So unlike traditional ovens, it's going to have the heat going from the bottom to the top, which may not cook your food evenly. This is actually going to cook your food a lot more evenly by warming up the whole thing, so you can actually make 3 separate dishes on 3 separate racks all at the same time. So this range also comes with a really cool feature. It's going to be this temperature probe. For example, if you are cooking a turkey, you can actually place this in your turkey before you cook the turkey, and it will display the temperature of the turkey on the screen. You can also set the range to turn off when the turkey gets to a certain temperature, so you don't have to sit and watch it. It will actually do it for you. So this range also has this storage drawer right at the bottom, so you can store all of your pots, pans, whatever you need to store right at the bottom for easy storage. So that is it for this range. You can find it here for around $2,900 here at BlvdHome. Make sure you like and subscribe for more tips for your home.